Can't see anything. Someone ran down the steps? Who's there? Nina? Nina, it's you! I had a feeling you would come. I was right, I knew it. My dear, my darling one. Don't cry. Don't.
There's someone there.
No.
Lock the doors or someone will come in.
Listen, don't be afraid. The one will come in.
Let me look at you. How nice and warm it is in here. This used to be the drawing room. Have I changed much?
Yes, you're thinner, and your eyes seem bigger. And I don't know how strange it is to see you again. Why wouldn't you see me? Why haven't you come here before this? I know you've been here for nearly a week. I've been to see you every day. Several times a day. I even stood under the window like a beggar.
I was afraid that you hated me. Every night I dreamt that you saw me but didn't recognize me. If only you knew. I've been coming here to the lake since the moment I arrived. I've been close to this house many times, but I couldn't come in. Can we sit down? Let's sit down and talk and talk. It's nice here. So warm and comfortable. Can you hear the wind? There's a passage in Chekhov. Lucky is he who, on a night like this, has a roof over his head and a warm corner to sit in. I'm Seagull. No, that's not it. What was I saying? Oh yes, Chekhov. May the Lord help all the homeless wanderers. Never mind.
Nina, don't cry.
Never mind.
Nina.
It does me good. I haven't cried for 2 years. Late last evening, I went to see if our theater was still standing. When I saw it was still there, I cried for the first time in 2 years and felt better for it. My mind was easier. I felt such relief. You see? I'm not crying now. So, you have become a writer then, is that so? You're a writer and I'm an actress. We're both caught up in it all. I used to be so happy. Like a child, I was so happy. I would wake up in the morning and I would sing. I loved you. I dreamt of fame. And now, I should go.
I cursed you, Nina. I hated you! I tore up all your letters and photographs. But all this time I knew that my soul was bound to yours forever. I can't stop loving you. I haven't the strength. Ever since I started publishing you, my life has been unbearable. I'm so unhappy. They've taken my youth away from me. It's gone. They've stolen it. I feel as if I've been living on the earth for 90 years. call out your name, Nina. I've kissed the ground on which you walked. I can see your face wherever I look. Your kind smile lit up the best years of my life.
Why is he talking like this?
I'm so lonely, with no one to warm me. I'm cold. As cold as if I was living in a cellar. Stay here with me, Nina. Or let me come with you. Nina, where are you going? For God's sake!
My car's waiting by the gate. Don't see me out. I'll manage by myself.
Where are you going?
Into town. Why did you say that you kissed the ground on which I walked? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired. If only I could rest. If only I could rest.